Hi, my name is Brian Stegall, and if you're one of the estimated 3 million Americans who have to live every day with one of these, you know you have to deal with these. And we know what a pain hoses can be. I know. I live with it every day. My wife uses one, and you know what that means, guys. After a few months of listening to her complain, I designed and 3D printed what I'm referring to as HOSS, or Cpap Hose Support System. And the HOSS is designed after two very simple concepts, which is a ball and a rail. So you have a claw that holds onto your hoses firmly, but not in a death grip. And this fits inside a rail. And this gives the HOSS system a lot of freedom of movement so that the hoses can move around when you move around in your sleep. So I came up with three different designs. The first one and the most simple one is this one right here. And so this one can be mounted any way you like, vertically, horizontally, like this, it doesn't matter. It works. And you can put it on headboards or whatever using a contact strip or screws. Then the second one came about because my wife travels with her Cpap, and she really didn't want to put those hoses down on hotel surfaces, which I don't blame her. Who knows how nasty they are. And it's the same concept. It's the same rail, but this time wrapped around a clamp that you can use on desks, lamps, headboards, whatever. And it comes in this really bright yellow so that you don't forget it later. Then the last one, which is my newest one, is specifically for the people who have headboards. And it's the same concept. You have your front rail with a claw. You have a back rail that goes between the headboard and the wall. And then you have these spacers. And the idea is that you put this together. So you grab the rail, you measure the thickness of your headboard, and then you use however many of these that you need to fit that size of your headboard. And then you just put this together and slip it in, and basically there you go. But now I'll tell you, these have a really tight fit. So once you put them together, it's going to be hard to take them apart. So measure once. If you've liked what you've seen today, you can find all these and hopefully some very interesting designs here soon in my Etsy store, and there's a link right here so you can go to it. Now, in my store, I don't have a lot of choices for color and materials right now, but that's the beauty of this. Since these are 3D printed, we can do them in any color, any material that you like. So if you don't see what you like here, drop us a note. Even if you have any design ideas to make our products better, let me know. Let's talk. And that's the big advantage of buying products from independent makers like me, is that we are invested in you and what you would like. So, what can I help you with today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.